Welcome. In this video for the Redware Dynamics 365 connector, we're going to show you how to push an invoice through from CRM into Xero. So here we have Xero, here we have CRM, and here we have our software. Now usually when we start the software we just do a quick test if we're in the beginning stages, just to check the license, the CRM and the Xero, which are all connecting fine. So what we want to do now is add an invoice into CRM and push it through to Xero. So here we have a demo account services. I've just created a brand new account and we're just going to add a new invoice in here. So we're just using the standard Microsoft fields here, nothing fancy. So here's our order, our invoice rather. I'm going to save that, and you see here is for demo account services. I'll just add a couple of items in there. Now the way we've configured it is no VAT is entered in CRM, and as we push it through to Xero, we look up the relevant VAT. So here you can see a total of £50.70 and no tax. That's going to be calculated later. The only thing we need to do is set create in accounts as the status. You see here there's a couple of extra fields, the invoice number and the tax point, that are going to be set by the system as we push it through into Xero. So here we want to go from Dynamics to Xero. There we've chosen the invoice entity, and this is going to flag up and show me any invoices with status create in accounts. So I'm just pushing through this one. I just highlighted it. What it's going to do is first it's going to create all the products, then it's going to create the contact as they call it in Xero, and then it's going to push it through. So you can see here all these messages behind that it's gone and created that invoice. So if we flip over to Xero now and we look at the invoices, and you can see that one there, demo account services limited. If we open it up, you can see the £50.70. It's calculated the VAT, and it's got a little link here that will take us back to CRM. And when we're back in CRM, we can see that this invoice number here is updated and the tax point's updated. The status has changed to upload into accounts. So you know that that invoice has gone through successfully into Xero, and it's also calculated the VAT. So that's pushing an invoice from Dynamics into Xero.